Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're diving into a culinary adventure with a biryani tutorial. We've got onions, tomatoes, rice, water, and oil on our menu. Let's get started. First up, chop those onions and tomatoes. Dice them finely for a flavorful base. Fry the onions in oil until they're light brown and add tomatoes for that extra tang. Cook this mixture until it thickens. Now for the rice. Chop your ginger and garlic finely to create the aromatic marinade. Add salt and turmeric for extra flavor. Mix it well with the rice and let it cook thoroughly. Once done, combine your rice with the cooked vegetables and mix into cups of water to ensure it doesn't dry up. Add some chicken if you like. But remember, this recipe is vegan by default. And there you have it, a delicious biryani recipe you can whip up in no time. Thanks for joining me on this foodie journey. Remember to follow and subscribe for more tasty tutorials. Happy cooking!